Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you something a little bit unusual. An actual vintage Italian racing bike. Now, I love bikes. All bikes. And part of that love of bikes includes refurbishing outreach ministry bikes. My friend and neighbor knows this, and he was given a vintage Peugeot 12-speed, which he passed along to me to give away. And that was a nice bike to work on. I was really impressed by its quality, and he was impressed by my work on the restoration. So I'm out in the yard one day not too long ago, and he surprises me and walks into my driveway with his 1984 Colnago Victory in its current condition. Largely sound, but a lot of the wear items, in fact all of them, needed replacing, and the chrome fork was very rusty, and it showed signs of rough storage, let us say. Now the thing is, this bike has a history. It's not just a racing bike, it was his racing bike, which is to say, back in the day, he was an amateur racer. But, then the kids come along, priorities change, as they do, and the bike was stored in his barn for 20 or more years. Now, he asked me if I could restore it to a usable condition, not factory new, just get it on the road again. And he was willing to pay me to do that. Well, A, I can do that, and B, I'm not going to charge my friends for that sort of stuff. I told him if he paid for the parts, we'd be good. So that was the deal which we reached. So, follow along as I do, I guess what you could call a light restoration of this Colnago Victory. I think that this build turned out really quite well. In fact, all during the build, I was much impressed by the quality of the bike and its components. I mean, you could tell that the frame was built by an actual human being, and the Campagnolo group set was in great shape other than some surface rust and rounded off jockey wheels in the derailleur, both easy fixes. To my surprise, I was even able to get some new old stock Campy brake pads from a small shop in Italy via eBay. Gotta love the internet. Unfortunately, I could not save the chrome fork, so I sanded and wire brushed it with 3 coats of gloss clear, and it doesn't look too bad if I say so myself. But you know what the best part of this build was? Aside from working on a vintage Italian racing bike, seeing my friend's face light up when I delivered the bike back to him. That was just a really heartwarming moment, and, well, I'm not going to get any mushier. If you enjoyed this video, there's a link below left to the Peugeot, which I mentioned earlier, and there's a link below right to another video, which I think you'll enjoy. And as always, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate that. Goodbye, and have a great day.